Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today is day 14 of the less than 1500 calories diet plan. Our breakfast is going to be oats, upma and scrambled eggs. The approximate calorie of our breakfast is 375. So now let us start preparing our breakfast. The first is oats upma. For the upma, add 3/4 cup of oats in a pan. Now we are going to dry roast this for another 2 or 3 minutes. Once you get a nice aroma, you can switch off the flame. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a cup of chopped onions and 1 green chilli and give this a nice saute until the onions turns translucent. Once the onions are done, add a 1/4 cup of chopped beans, a 1/4 cup of chopped carrot and a 1/4 cup of green peas. Now give this a nice saute. To this add few curry leaves and the required amount of salt. To this let us add around half a cup of water for the vegetables to get cooked. Close this and cook in medium flame until the water gets evaporates. So here you can see that there is no water and the vegetables has also turned soft. Now let us add the roasted oats. To this let us add half a cup of water. Now let us close this and cook for few minutes. So here the upma is done. It has to be like this. Oats upma is ready. Next let us move on and do our scrambled eggs. Take a pan, pour some oil in it and crack open 1 egg. To this add some pepper powder and the required amount of salt and start scrambling the egg. So here our egg is ready. For the breakfast we are going to have 1 bowl of oats upma and 1 scrambled egg. One bowl of upma is around 230 grams and it contains 7.8 grams of proteins, 13 grams of fats, 30 grams of carbohydrates and 7.2 grams of fiber. A scrambled egg has 7 grams of proteins, 7.8 grams of fats, 1.5 grams of carbohydrates and it doesn't have any fiber. Moving on to the morning snack, it is going to be around 127 calories and we are going to take field beans fry. Now let us move on to the recipe. Take half a cup of field beans. Clean this with water and soak it in water for around 8 to 10 hours. Transfer this into a pressure cooker. Add the required amount of salt. Add enough water and we are going to pressure cook this for 4 to 5 whistles. So here our beans got cooked well. Set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Let the mustards pop. Once the mustard starts popping, you can add around a 1/4 cup of chopped onions, few curry leaves, 2 dry chilies, a 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and the required amount of salt. Now give everything a nice saute. You have to saute this until the onions turns translucent. Once the onions are done, add the cooked field beans. Give this a nice saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. The fry is ready now. You need half a cup of it. Half a cup of field beans fry is around 100 grams and it contains 5.1 grams of protein, 6.7 grams of fats, 8.3 grams of carbohydrates and 10 grams of fiber. Moving on to the lunch, it is going to be 352 calories and it is 1 bowl of carrot rice. Now let us move on and prepare our carrot rice. For the carrot rice, pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urud dal, and half a teaspoon of split chickpeas, that is Bengal gram. Saute this for a few minutes, let the mustards pop. To this add few curry leaves and few cashew nuts. Once this is done, add 3 or 4 green chilies and give this a nice saute for another 1 or 2 minutes. Next we are going to add 1 small chopped onion. Once onions are translucent, add 1 cup of grated carrot. We are going to saute this occasionally until the carrots get cooked well. So here the carrots are done, it has turned soft. At this stage we are going to add 2 cups of cooked basmati rice. For cooking the basmati rice, it is 1:1.5 cup ratio, that is 1 cup of basmati rice and 1.5 cups of water, and it is 2 whistles in a pressure cooker. Now mix everything well. So here our carrot rice is ready. Let us top this with few chopped coriander leaves. For the lunch we are going to take 1 bowl of this rice. 1 bowl is around 250 grams and it contains 8 grams of proteins, 6.9 grams of fats, 58.9 grams of carbohydrates and 5.4 grams of fiber. Our evening snack is going to be cucumber. It is 1 medium-sized cucumber and it is around 16 calories. And this cucumber has 0.7 grams of proteins, 0.1 grams of fats, 3.8 grams of carbohydrates and 0.5 grams of fiber. For the dinner, we are going to take lentils dosa and tomato chutney and it is around 164 calories. Now let us move on and do our lentils dosa. For the dosa, you need 1 cup of parboiled rice. To this add 2 tablespoons of split green gram, 2 tablespoons of split black gram, 2 tablespoons of split chickpeas and 2 tablespoons of split pigeon peas. Along with this you need 1 dry chili and few curry leaves. Clean this with water and soak this in water for about 3 to 4 hours. This is after 3 hours of soaking. This has turned soft. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar. Add enough water and grind this into a nice smooth batter. So here the batter is ready. It has to be like this. To this add the required amount of salt and give this a nice mix. Let us leave this overnight for fermentation, and this is after fermentation. You can see the difference. Now give this a mix. After a nice mix, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida and half a cup of chopped onions. Into this add enough water and make this a smooth batter. Your final batter has to be like this. Here I have taken a dosa pan. It is hot enough now. I am just spreading a little oil. Now pour the batter and spread it evenly. Spread some oil. One side is done, let us flip it. So here our lentils dosa is ready. For this dosa, tomato chutney will be a best side dish. So now let us prepare the chutney. For the chutney, pour some oil in a pan. To this add 2 dry chilies. Once the dry chilies are sauteed well, add around half a teaspoon of split chickpeas and half a teaspoon of split black gram. Once the dals are fried well, add a small piece of chopped ginger and 6 to 8 small garlic cloves. Saute everything well for a minute or 2. To this add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute everything well, the onions has to turn translucent. Once the onions turns translucent, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. To this let us add a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Saute everything for about 1 or 2 minutes. Once this is sauteed well, you can transfer this into a mixie jar and grind it. We have to wait for this to cool down. Once it cools down, you can grind it. Now add some oil in the same pan. To this add around 5 or 6 chopped tomatoes. We have to saute the tomatoes well until it becomes soft. Let us close and cook this for about a minute or 2. This has cooled down now, let us grind it. The tomatoes are almost soft now, let us add some salt. The tomatoes are ready, let us transfer this into the mixie jar. Once this gets cooled down, we can grind it. So here our chutney is ready. For the dinner, we need 2 lentils dosa and 3 tablespoons of tomato chutney. The 2 lentils dosa has 4.2 grams of proteins, 4 grams of fats, 18.3 grams of carbohydrates and 2.3 grams of fiber. Our 3 tablespoons of tomato chutney has 0.6 grams of proteins, 2.7 grams of fats, 3 grams of carbohydrates and 0.9 grams of fiber. So totally for the day we have taken around 1034 calories. With this, day 14 is over and our 2 weeks diet plan is also over. Hope you followed the diet plan and it was useful to you. Thank you for watching. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.